Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you really quickly how to pre-purchase and preload a game on the Nintendo Switch. So a couple of things here. Make sure that you are on an adult account. So if you are on a kid's account, make sure you are the parent doing this, or else you will not be able to preload or even pre-purchase the game that you're trying to install on the Switch. So once we've done that and we have logged into our account here on our Switch, we want to go ahead and log into the Nintendo eShop. So go ahead and do that now by just going to the eShop here and logging in. When logging in, you'll probably be asked to re-enter or enter your password, so go ahead and do that now. All right, once you've logged into the eShop, you need to go ahead and locate the game that you're wanting to pre-purchase and preload on your Switch. So for me, I'm going to go to this game here, and I'm going to go ahead and select the game that I want to go ahead and pre-purchase and preload. You also may want to Google first to make sure that the game is available to preload. So go ahead and just purchase the game now, and then go ahead and just add the funds and purchase the game like you see me doing here now. And that will go ahead and make sure that you have the funds, you've added them. It'll load for a few seconds, and then once you're done, you can see that you have already purchased the game. And what we'll do now is we'll just go ahead and go back to our home page here on our Switch. And then what we can see here is that we will see if we've done everything right, a loading bar underneath the game as if we've inserted a cartridge or if the game was live already, okay? So this means that the preloading is working. Now, if you want to pause this, just like an install, you can, tap A on your controller and it will pause it. But as you can see here, the game has been bought. It is now preloading, and now as soon as the game is live or available on your console, which is normally around midnight on the far right-hand side of the time zone that you're on, so for me it would be Eastern Standard Time, midnight, you should be good to go, and the game will not have to load or download, and you can begin playing immediately. If you have any questions, please put those in the comments section down below. Really appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great tech tutorials and tips like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.